Welcome to video 79 in series 3, and in this video I'm going to write the enemy nav pause script. Okay, so this script is important when the enemy is struck by something, they've lost health, so that was called enemy nav pause, and it'll cause them to just pause momentarily in their navigation. That's all it's for. Okay, so I'll go ahead and type in the variables. I'll just copy some from another script just to save a few moments. Okay, and we'll also have a private float pause time of 1 unit. And as for my methods, I'll use the start. I don't need the start, and I don't think I need update either. I will have a void pause nav mesh agent. And because this method is going to subscribe to the enemy health deduction event, it's going to have an int dummy. It's not actually going to be used or passed in to do anything, but just required so it can subscribe. Okay, and I'll also have a coroutine. So that is an enumerator restart nav mesh agent. And that is a yield return new wait 4 seconds pause time. Okay, and also void disable this, and this one's a little different. There's no point disabling the script, it doesn't have an update method. So that's not going to achieve anything, but what I do need to do is stop all coroutines. So yeah, it's a good idea not to have a coroutine running in your memory when your enemy's dying, or this script was pretty much going to get destroyed or something like that. You don't want any more coroutines, otherwise stuff is not going to work properly, or you'll have errors. Okay, so for the set initial references, I probably should establish them. I'll just go copy them from some other script. So let me go to this one. Yep, this is the stuff I need right there. Okay, so just setting the enemy master and the mynavmesh agent, then set initial references, and enemy master dot event enemy die, disable this. And also enemy master dot event enemy health will deduct health, and that was pause nav mesh agent. There we go. Okay, so coming to the method itself, if my nav mesh agent is not equal to null, then let's pass the first step. If my nav mesh agent dot enabled, my nav mesh agent dot reset path, and enemy master dot is nav paused is equal to true, and start coroutine, and the name of that coroutine is restart nav mesh agent. And inside of that coroutine, at the end of that, I will say enemy master dot is nav paused is equal to false. Okay, so I'll just scan through that. I don't think there is anything else to do. So just to recap what's happening, if the enemy gets hurt, this method gets called. If the navmesh agent is, there and it's enabled, then the path gets reset, and the boolean is nav pause gets set to true. So that way, in the original nav pursue script, the enemy can no longer chase after the player till this is set back to false. And we start the coroutine to do just that. And after a second, it gets set back to false. And if this enemy dies, then stop any coroutines that happen to be running in the background. Just stop them, otherwise we may have an error. Okay, so I think that's it. It's good. We won't get to see it in action till the end of this chapter, But in the meantime, just attach it on, enemy nav pause, OK, just hit play, just to see that no obvious errors come up. Yeah, okay, it looks like it's all fine, and yeah, he's working out just fine. Yep, okay. And yes, as you can tell, I'm just easily amused as well. Okay, alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.